In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down column in Smartsheet. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can quickly set up a clean, consistent list of options for your team to use. This is really helpful for things like status fields, priority levels, or standardized categories where you don't want people typing in different variations of the same thing. Start by opening the sheet where you want to add your drop-down. At the top of your sheet, you'll see your column headers like task name, due date, or Assign To. Move your mouse to any of these column headers and right-click on it. This right-click is how you access the Column Options menu in Smartsheet. When the menu appears, look for the options labeled Insert Column Right or Insert Column Left. Choose whichever one makes more sense for your layout. For example, if you want the new drop-down to appear directly to the right of your current column, select Insert Column Right. If you prefer it on the other side, choose Insert Column Left. As soon as you click, Smartsheet will create a brand new column next to the one you selected. Now you'll see a window or panel where you can define the details of your new column. One of the most important settings here is the column type. Open the Column Type menu, and from the list of available types, choose Drop-Down List. This tells Smartsheet that this column will only allow values from a predefined list instead of free text. Once you've selected Drop-Down List, you'll see a box labeled Values. This is where you'll add all the choices you want to appear in the drop-down. Click inside the Values box and start typing your first option, like Not Started, then press Enter. Type your second option, such as In Progress, and press Enter again. Continue this pattern, adding each option on its own line. Pressing Enter after each one makes sure they are treated as separate drop-down choices. Take a moment to review your list for spelling and consistency. Clear, simple labels will make it easier for everyone using the sheet. When you're happy with your options, go ahead and click OK. Your new drop-down column is now ready to use. Click into any cell in that column and you'll see the drop-down arrow appear, letting you choose from the options you just created.